Hello! So, someone has requested this simple hairdo, so I'm gonna show you how to get this simple as hair, little low bun, and cute little lady hands or whatever. Okay? So we're gonna start really. Ooh. So we're gonna start. This is 3-day hair. So, and I didn't feel like washing it, so I'm gonna spray some dry shampoo. My favorite is the Living Proof dry shampoo. It's fire. It's the only one that I feel actually works. And somewhat makes my hair not so crazy. Okay. Just step it up a bit. Now my hair is all volumized. I'm going to part it in the middle. Just use my finger. You can use a comb, but I don't really care. I'm gonna take my wet brush and just brush it through a bit, just so it's not completely knotty. Okay, now this is so simple. I literally tuck this in my ear. I usually use like a boy bristle brush, but I don't know where that is, so I'm gonna use this. I'm pretty sure I left it in Miami. I have no clue where it is, but I'm brushing all the hair. This one now, just so it's smooth and lays flat. You see, if I had my brush, this would be so easy. Okay, like this. And then I legit, oh, this is what I do. Like comb the sides this way, like backwards this way, just so it's not completely straight down. It like maneuvers to the side. I don't know how to explain it. That. Just smooth it. I'll use this brush. If I had my other brush, it would be so much better. But life. Okay. Don't comb anything back with my finger. Okay, and then I just twist it, hold it with the nape. I don't know if you can see, like that. And then twist it around. And I just take a hair tie, any hair tie, and I just loop it around like twice or 3 times, depending on how big the hair tie is. Okay. And then I just take a little toothbrush. This is from Harmon's, literally a travel toothbrush. Just comb anything back. Okay, and then like say if I have any, like if this was freshly washed hair and I wanted to slick back like this and it's not oily, I'd usually take my Living Proof 5-in-1 style treatment. I take like a dime size, rub it, and just apply it all over. And now what I'm gonna do, how I usually lay my baby hairs, I usually take the gel and the toothbrush, or this one is like really easy. It's the Essence Brow Gel, and since I have fine hair, I just take this and I basically just lay it down. Lay down my hairs. there you go. That's as good as it's gonna get. So basically, this is the finished look. It's super simple, literally so easy. I do this all the time because I'm lazy and I hate doing my hair. But yeah, so that's basically it. I'm wearing the Pat McGrath foundation. I did a review on it, so check out that video after this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!